So really quick video. I happen to have some extra LED bulbs here for brake lights. So I'm going to replace it, or I'm actually half replaced it already, but I'm going to show you what I did. But the LEDs are going to be, one, they won't blow out as easy. Two, they're usually brighter. So they last longer and they're brighter. Right now it's too bright outside here to really show the effectiveness of it. I could show it, but I want to wait until it gets a little darker so you can see it, because there's a lot of sun right here. But I'll show you how to change it really quick. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so in the Scooby project here, Project Scooby-Doo, this is a 2002 WRX, Impreza WRX, not an STI. It didn't come out back then, but it's got a lot of stuff, STI parts, but I'll talk about that next time. Anyways, the brake light's about right here, so really easy to get to. Pop the trunk out. There's just one little tab here, or one little screw thing. I just actually did it with my fingers, but it's a little screw, and you just pull that tab out for right here, and you're gonna get at right there. All you gotta do is twist it lefty loosey, pop it out. That's the new bulb, but the old bulb is right here, and you literally just pop it out and pop it on, push it until it clicks. It's a little bit longer. Let's go here so you can see a little better. It's definitely longer, you can see here, but it does have enough room there as well. And this bulb here, I put on Amazon. It's got a lot of LEDs, so it should be plenty bright when I fire it up later. And so with this side doesn't have the tab already missing, or it's already missing, I should say. So I can just go here, grab that guy, lefty loosey, pull that out. Whew, it's hot. Let's see if I can do it one-handed. I'm right-handed, by the way, so it's harder. Okay, I'm gonna grab it. Oh, actually that was pretty tight. So got that. Grab the other light here, and then you're just gonna pop this in until it clicks. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave the other bulb on there to show the difference before I put this bulb in, but I just want to show how easy it is to do it. Stick it back in, find the little teeth, and you just gotta twist it until it's seated. Let's see if you can see that. Pull that out. See how it's seated? It's gotta get flush, and then you turn it. And that's it. So once it gets a little darker, it's not gonna be pitch dark. I just want it to be darker, and then I'll turn these on for you, and you can see. Be back again. You know, one thing I didn't even realize that there's actually two brake lights on here. And this one's broken. This bulb was actually dead, so I replaced it with another bulb. The LED one I replaced earlier because I thought that was that's not the LED one. The LED one here I replaced earlier. This is one of my old ones I had, but I didn't realize there's two brake lights that light up here. So when I hit the brake earlier, it was only that one that was lighting up, and I found out because that bulb was dead. So I went ahead and replaced both now, and you can see, actually you can tell how bright they are because of that. So like I said, because go ahead, step on it with your foot. Great, let go. One more time. All right, cool, thank you. They both actually light up, two bulbs. You can see how bright the LED ones on the outside are versus the non-LEDs. So that's actually pretty good. difference in comparison. Anyways, I'm gonna get some more LEDs in, and I want to actually LED out the rest, especially the reverse lights. I need to find some parts, so I'll put some links in the description. Let me know what you think so far. Appreciate you coming on board. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you haven't. Appreciate it. Peace out.